In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up to Ladbrokes. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. All right, so I'm assuming you've already got the Ladbrokes app on your mobile device. If you haven't, go ahead and download it from your Play or App Store. Now, once you've done that, go ahead and open up Ladbrokes. And now you'll be brought to this screen here. So allow Ladbrokes to send you notifications. I'm going to click allow. And now we need to enable location services for Ladbrokes to work. So please check your location service are turned on. So what we need to do is open up the settings app on our device, click on permissions, scroll down where it says not allowed, click on location. And you've got a couple of choices here. You can either allow only while using the app or ask every time. I'm just going to do allow only while using the app. And then I'm going to head back to Ladbrokes. And now from here, you can click on let's go. Now you're brought to the home page of Ladbrokes, and to sign up or to create an account, what we need to do is click on the join button on the top right hand corner of the page here. And now it will say join Ladbrokes today, sign up in under a minute. So you've got a few different options here. You've got to sign up using PayPal, or you can sign up using your email address. So choose which one you prefer. I'm going to sign up using my email address. So I'm going to go ahead and put in all my details here. So I need to put in my email, username, password, first name, middle name, last name, your date of birth, mobile, and your address must match your ID. And if you got a promo code or coupon code, you could put a code in here as well. You can also set a deposit limit, or don't set a deposit limit, and then click on sign up. So I'm going to fill this out and pause this video and get back to you. All right, so I've filled out the form. Now I'm going to click on sign up. You can also tick this box here. It says, I also agree to receive promotional material from Ladbrokes. So if you want to receive promotional stuff from Ladbrokes, go ahead and click that and then click sign up. Also, before you do that, like I said, you got to set a deposit limit or don't set a deposit. I'm going to do don't set a deposit limit. Now I'm going to click on sign up. All right, and there you go. That's how to create a Ladbrokes account.